going to show you how to tie this knot so that you can make this strap adjustable.
This is about 9 centimeters. Hold the top of it, grab the other side. You want to be creating a loop around. The X is at the front. Now this is important because once you start to make the loop, so we're going upwards, right? Upwards. Don't go down, go up. So 1, 2, 3. 3 loops, right? 3 loops. Okay, I'm going to make one more. And this 4th one, I want to put it to the back. So don't go loop one more time and go front. You want to put the string back. So again, this is the front. You want to put it at the back. So I'm going to loop one more and I'm going to turn it around. And I want the string to loop to the back. Okay, now you can start to tighten it. You see, I'm pulling and I'm adjusting and I'm tightening it. So there you go. So when you're looping it, don't make it too tight, otherwise you can't pull the string. But once the string is in, you can basically tighten and look, done. So now the string moves up and down this way, up again. And then to end, you just gotta tie a loop to finish this off. There you go, that's it. Tied again. I can tighten it really tight, really loose.